I'm doing spaghetti carbonara for the first time. Thank you, Jέimì Oliver. Watch the recipe on YouTube. Now, here's the problem part, I think. See, I'm mixing the water. I'm not doing the water part good. Here, there, go.
This is a safe situation?
This is a safe situation. This is cool. Very nice.
The timer went off.
Jéimì,
So it was 10 minutes.
Huh?
For whatever you needed the 10
Well,
minutes.
I just decided that I could not.
You didn't wait?
I did not wait because I don't like my pasta to be too.
You want to
Here we
do
go.
a little
Now, according to Jéimì, now I'm supposed to do this part. But you got to be careful because you don't want it frying. He wants it quiet. He says quiet. Thank you, Jéimì Oliver. Too much frying. Okay. Quiet. You don't want the egg to turn into like egg foo young or something. You don't want egg on the noodles. So you just want to do it. Okay, let's see what's going to happen here. Okay, Jéimì. Doesn't look exactly like yours, but okay. I think it's good. There's the bacon. This is good. Oh, this is good. All right. Okay. Yep, I think I need a little more water too. Jéimì says more water. There we go.
How much more?
Yeah. No, it's good. It's good. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Oh God, I forgot the pepper.
Oh.
You said the pepper was the most important part. Okay. I was supposed to add the pepper to the bacon, but okay, it's okay. Okay, good. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna add some truffle. It's gonna be great. All right, done. Pretty good though. Look at that. Come on, pretty good. Hey. All right.
We see you, bacon.
We see you, bacon. We see you. I think I did okay.
So how does it feel?
I forgot to add salt. I don't think you said salt, but okay. I forgot to add salt. I think.
We always add salt.
Oh God. I think it's looking